Down Brandywine Park, checking on the creek, the river, make sure it's not flooding. Well, we got all day tomorrow for it to rain, so y'all know how it is when the river starts to get full. So I thought I'd come down here now, Wilmington, Delaware, May the 6th, 2022, down at the Brandywine. Looks like it's not doing too bad right now. But I come to look at the water. Usually see the geese, but I don't see them right now. But yes, Grandmom Donna, I love being down the Brandywine Park in Wilmington, Delaware. Bye-bye.